Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Essence of Elisa. So today I'm bringing you guys the video that I was supposed to give you guys last week on my DIY henna hair mask, and my curls came out so popping with that. Last week I wasn't able to bring it to you guys because I have been plagued with the sickness. And I'm not talking about the coronavirus, I'm talking about food poisoning. Like, I do not wish that upon anyone. Like, that stuff sucks. So I've been sick with that all week, and then now I'm like congested. You guys can probably hear it in my voice. So I'm just kind of getting over that as of right now. So here's the video. I'm so excited to show you guys this. This was the first time me doing my DIY henna hair mask. So it came out really good, and I'm excited to show you guys. So if you guys want to keep on watching, then stay tuned and let's get into the video. So first, you guys are going to need some henna. I got mine from the local Indian store. Next, you're going to need some of your favorite oils. I'm using almond oil, and I'm also using olive oil. And you're going to need some water and a spoon for stirring and a bowl. So you're going to mix your henna powder into the bowl. I'm not really doing any measurements. You guys know I don't do measurements, but it's going to kind of look like this. Again, I apologize for my voice. My voice is so raspy. I sound like an old lady who's been smoking her whole life. So next, you're going to pour the olive oil and the almond oil inside your bowl. Let me stop and let me take this seriously. Okay, then you're going to pour your water in, and I kind of just pour it in there and then mix it until it is this type of consistency. And you just keep stirring and stirring, girl, until you get the right consistency that you like. I like mine like thick and pasty like that just because it's easier. So don't mind me here. I'm just over here dancing and prepping before my video so I can do this for you guys because I'm excited about this henna hair mask. Oh hey girl, hey. So I just got out the shower. I shampooed my hair and conditioned my hair. I use Suave Professionals. I believe it's the almond and olive oil one, or the almond and avocado oil one. I forget which one, but I love it, and it works really great on my hair, and it smells so good. So now I'm kind of just prepping my hair and sectioning my hair for me to put it up. I am sectioning it into 2 different sections right now, so I'm just putting the top up and away for right now, and I'm going to work with the bottom first. And after you section off your hair, girl, you're going to get yourself a black t-shirt and wrap it around you because you do not want this stuff getting all over your skin because it stains and it is hard to get out. So then you're just going to clip the shirt together and make sure it's secure. So now we're going to apply the henna hair mask. I also forgot to say, make sure you guys put this in the refrigerator. I mean, you don't have to, but that's what I did, and I let it sit in there for like 30 minutes to an hour. And I would definitely recommend using gloves with this. I didn't use gloves because what I did was I paused the video in the middle of doing each section of my hair and just rinsed off my hands because I didn't want it to stain, because it definitely will. And I believe the longer you leave it on your hands, the harder it is to get out. So definitely get yourself some gloves, girl. So this is just a little side note that I'm telling you guys. I've noticed that in my other videos that I've been kind of just like really like formal in them, and that's not really my personality. My personality is like really out there and bubbly. So I'm going to give you guys that's what I want to give. I don't want to be just sitting on the couch just explaining things to you guys. Like, I want to show my personality in the videos more. So I'm going to be doing that for you guys, and I'm going to be giving y'all the hype. So yeah, I hope y'all like that. So now I'm kind of just showing you guys how I apply it to my hair. I just literally, I want this stuff to be saturated in my hair. I want to get every single strand of hair, so I'm applying this stuff all over my hair, ends, roots, everything. And as you guys can see, when I'm applying this, it's going on so easily. Like with other like natural hair mask, it's a little bit harder to put on, but this stuff is making it so easy. And that's because henna makes your hair so soft. Like, it's incredible. Like, you can just see like how moisturized my hair is just by putting this on there. Like with other like DIY hair masks that I've done before, like with Amla, it definitely didn't make my hair feel like this. Definitely a lot more stiff, along with the bentonite clay. Definitely made it stiff too, but I really like this. I was really surprised. So now I am doing the top of my hair, and I'm going in with my favorite aloe vera juice spray. So I'm saturating my hair with that because when I apply the mask, I want my hair to be damp because it is easier to apply it that way versus doing it with dry hair. So I know most of you guys know henna through henna tattoos, but for centuries Indians have been using this in their hair to dye it and for nourishment and to help balance pH levels, for itchy scalp, damaged hair, deep conditioning of the hair to rejuvenate it and replenish it. It treats dandruff, and it treats hair fall and split ends, and it also obviously helps with dyeing your hair, so it helps eliminate gray hair. And best of all, it helps with hair growth. And once I heard all of these benefits, I was like, oh hell yeah, I definitely have to try this. So hence why we are here today and why I made my own DIY henna hair mask. So now what I'm doing, I'm just taking the rest of my mask and I am just literally applying it all over my hair until this stuff is all used up. I want to make sure my hair is saturated like I had said before, because I want this stuff to make my curls poppin'. And you guys probably think I'm real ballsy for doing this on my couch. I have 2 white pillows on the couch, a white blanket, my walls are white, my whole damn house is white. So I'm surprised I really only got it on my pants, and that's it. I only got one little drop on my pants and that was it. That's the only staining that I did with this DIY henna hair mask. So I was definitely proud of myself for that one. But I'm actually like low-key OCD about a lot of things, so when it comes to doing stuff like this, I'm really particular and careful not to get it anywhere. Unlike my mom, when my mom dyes her hair and I come home, black stuff all over the walls. I'm like, what are you doing? It looks like somebody just had like a paint fight in there. I'm just like, bro, like I come home and the walls are all looking like they just been freshly painted with some black hair dye. So sis, we are definitely finished. This is what the results are looking like, and right now I am just going to pin my hair up and put a plastic cap over my head and let that jaw sit for about 30 to 60 minutes. So yeah, that is it you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.